There are many nights in life when we lie in bed, looking around and feel as if everyone else is far ahead of us. Their dreams are coming true, their families are smiling, their lives are bright. And us? We seem to be standing still, our feet heavy. But is that truly the case? Everyone's journey is different. The beginning is different, the obstacles are different, the pace is different, the timing is different. When we look at others' paths and forget our own, we lose our light. This story is for those who have ever felt small looking at someone else's success. For those who couldn't sleep at night thinking, why can't I be like them? Listen with an open mind. Perhaps by the end of the story, you will see your own path anew and love yourself a little more. Once upon a time, in a small fishing village by the sea, lived a young man named Arif. His father was a fisherman, and so was his grandfather. The sea was in his blood. From childhood, he would ride in boats, breathe the scent of the sea, and listen to the sound of the waves. But his boat was old, made of wood, without an engine. His nets were torn and mended, yet he possessed a unique ability. He understood the sea as if it were his own mind. He could sense where the schools of fish were, when a storm would come, or when the tide would rise, long before others. The villagers would say, "Arif always catches good fish. He has magic in his hands." But Arif himself was never content. Every day, returning to the harbor, he would see the big boats, boats whose roar could be heard from afar, boats that traveled to distant seas, whose owners had built big houses in the city and sent their children to good schools. Their boats were full of fish, their faces smiling, gold chains around their necks. Arif would look at his small boat and think, "They are so far ahead. I'm still stuck with this old boat. If I had a big boat like theirs, I would catch more fish and provide better for my family." This thought, initially small, grew over time. He stopped buying new nets. His enthusiasm for going to sea diminished. Sometimes he wouldn't even wake up in the morning. Lying in bed, he'd think, "No matter how much I try, I can't be like them, so why even try?" His catch decreased. He got lower prices at the market. Less money came home. His wife, Ria, would remain silent, but worry showed in her eyes. His young son and daughter no longer asked for new clothes. Arif became even more isolated. At night, he would listen to the sound of the sea and think, "My life will end here." One rainy day, after a terrible storm, a strange old man came to the village. His face was weathered, his eyes held deep peace, a worn satchel on his shoulder, a bamboo staff in his hand. People said he had crossed many seas, traveled many countries, and seen many storms. In the evening, everyone would gather at the village tea shop to hear his stories. One day, Arif also went. He hadn't been out in a long time. When everyone fell silent, Arif spoke. His voice was heavy. "Father, no matter how hard I work, I feel like others are far ahead of me. They have big boats, big businesses, big dreams. They build houses in the city and send their children to good schools. Mine is all small. Why can't I be like them? Why is my life so stuck?" The old man silently sipped his tea. Then he slowly said, "My child, words cannot explain everything. Come with me before dawn tomorrow. I will show you something. Perhaps you will understand it yourself." The next day, before dawn, with stars still in the sky, they walked towards an old lighthouse by the sea. The lighthouse had been abandoned for many years. The stairs were broken, vines covered the walls, and silence reigned all around. Inside, the old man said, "This once guided ships. It saved many lives. Here are 3 special windows. Come, let me show you." Arif was amazed when he looked through the first window. He saw himself, Arif from 10 years ago. Young Arif,
going to sea for the first time with his father, trembling with fear, making mistakes while casting nets, crying alone. Then teenage Arif. His father had passed away. He was struggling alone. He lost his boat in a storm, and for a while he even stopped fishing. The old man said, "This is your window to the past. Tell me, what was that Arif like?" Arif closed his eyes and thought. His voice choked. He knew nothing. He would tremble with fear during storms. He caught very few fish. He became alone after losing his father. He couldn't bring smiles to his family's faces. Many times he wanted to give up. And the Arif of now? Now I can sense storms beforehand. I cast my nets in good spots. I can bring smiles to my family's faces. I am alive. I have learned a lot. I have fought a lot. The old man smiled. You see, you have progressed. That small, frightened Arif brought you to where you are today. Don't curse the past. Thank it. It made you strong.
Then they went to the second window. Looking through it, Arif saw the entire lives of other fishermen. Some laughing in their big boats, but losing everything in a storm the next moment. Some leaving their families for money. Some crying alone at night. Some drowning in debt. But from the outside, everyone seemed only happy and successful. The old man said, "This is the window of others. We only see their successes, their smiles. We don't see their nighttime tears, their fears, their failures, their loneliness. If you keep looking through this window all the time, you will forget your own path. You will feel small."
Tears welled up in Arif's eyes. He said, "I have been looking only through this window all this time. I used to feel bad seeing their big boats, but I didn't see their storms." The old man placed a hand on his shoulder and said, "Come, let's see the most important window." They climbed to the very top of the lighthouse. There was a small, clean window. Looking through it, Arif saw only himself, today's Arif, tired but strong, hands scarred but experienced, eyes weary but courageous. There he saw his wife's smile, his children playing, his own small boat that had kept him alive until now.
The old man said, "This is your window to the present. Here you will see only yourself, no comparison with anyone else. Your real journey starts from here. Every day, ask yourself, am I a little better than yesterday? Have I learned a little more? Have I tried a little harder? If yes, then you are on the right path. Your pace is right." From that day, Arif changed. He no longer felt sad looking at other people's big boats in the harbor. Every day before going to sea, he would tell himself, "Today I will try a little harder than yesterday. I will cast my nets in a slightly better spot." He mended his old nets, learned new techniques from the village's elder fishermen, and started saving.
Slowly, his catch increased. He bought a better boat, then another. His son went to school, his daughter got new clothes. Laughter returned to their home. A few years later, one day a young fisherman came to him and said, "Brother, how do you remain so calm? I used to see you sad before. Now your boat is big, your business is big, but you don't envy others. How did it happen?" Arif smiled. Looking at the sea, he said, "I no longer look through others' windows. I only look through my own window. There I see I am progressing little by little every day. My pace is mine. My path is mine, and that is enough."
You too might be feeling sad today looking at others' lives. Remember, you are only seeing pictures of their success, not the whole story. You are not seeing their storms, their tears, their lonely nights. Your story is different. Your journey is different. Your most important window is your own. Look through it every day. Ask yourself, Am I a little better today than yesterday? A little stronger? A little braver? If the answer is yes, then smile. You are on the right path. If not, then start today. Stop comparing. Start walking on your own path. Because your journey is only yours, and that is the most beautiful thing. And there you have it, a powerful reminder that our greatest competition is often with ourselves. Your journey is unique, filled with lessons and triumphs that are distinctly yours. Don't let the shine of someone else's path dim the light of your own. Keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep walking forward at your own pace. If this story resonated with you, share it, and let's continue to inspire each other to embrace our individual journeys. Remember, every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Stay motivated, keep practicing your English with us, and we'll see you in the next story.